Now you're 57. Enjoy it because once you hit 60, you will.
Things that are, I don't want to sound so really
Will be is gonna be, okay? I don't have to explore and you did great on making the marriage work.
10 years ago.
sabi nga nila, I mean, this is reality. 60 is between, I don't want to say it, but 60 and death, it's in between. That's it.
Oh, that's good.
Life begins at
Wisdom,
60,
yeah.
not 40.
Every day, that's when your life begins, you know. And we always feel
There, one part of
Manila.
like a wine
oh
that
yes.
it gets better with each age. So it doesn't matter what age you are as long as you're getting better. And I think as Asians we look younger than their age. So you know we should feel better than our age. But I think as we age I think we see life a little bit differently. You know, we don't I think we're calmer, more relaxed, so we don't think I guess, you know, things doesn't irritate and
Bother us.
us as much. We're calmer because we're more mature and so just enjoy life, enjoy your husband, and stop.
Caregiver. Hey! Where are you? We can sit in here? Here. Here. No, here. I want this song.
It helped me a little bit. Anybody? 5, 4? 4 answers? 4. Ayun, 4. Ay.
First time yan.
L light-hearted, carefree, free from serious.
Light-hearted every time, but light-hearted.
A attractive.
Oh, yan. Good.
You, Marila. Okay. Nag-sugar pa naman ako. Ate Marila.
Ay, picturean mo ko.
Wala nang baterya.
Dapat maganda.
I'll take a picture.
Thank you sa pinakamamahal kong kasama. Para sa ilong, para sa ilong.
Hingyan sa may mga mamahal mo na sa... Kaya nga, sabi ko, charge to ano.
Business expense.
Charge the experience.
The job was very toxic. So you know, my husband always tells me, just stay there.
Happy birthday, dear Maya. Pay mo. Pinunan mo ba?
Ako na.
Wish me luck. Honey,
Fake.
Birthday. Greetings from the Philippines. Love you.
She couldn't make.
Happy 15th birthday, Mila. 50th. Happy birthday, we love you.
Yung crush mo, Lalaine. Crush mo yan eh. Sabi mo, sino to? Gwapo. Baka pumangit na.
Hindi yan. Si Amores.
Si Amores, hindi yan.
Hindi yan. Hindi yan. Hindi yan.
Kabar ko ba to?
Oo.
Sa CB.
Sino yan?
Sa CB ko. Ay! Diyos ko.
Lakasan.
Mahina. Nilakasan ko na. Inedit ko. Kaya sabi ko, bilihan mo ng bagong phone.
At least there's a subtitle.
Sabi mo may iPhone siya.
iPhone yan.
Eh kaya pala, dapat Samsung. One more, I didn't click the right button.
One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maya. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Kinunan mo ba?
Ako na.
Which villa?
I-blow mo. Wala nang COVID.
Ay, hindi. Baka maiba yung ano eh. May mga tumalsik.
Smile ka dyan, te. Alam mo, ihuli natin si Tony kasi gusto ko malaman kung ano susulat.
Hindi ko babasahin.
Mamaya akin yan.
Kasi pareho na sa'yo eh.
Oh, si Connie ko na.
Ako hindi.
Mamaya ka na.
Mamaya ka tayo kuhuli.
You're not even finished.
O teka, pwede kong baguhin.
Ang gaya mo. Kasi narinig mo na eh. Wag na.
May kapareho eh. May kapareho.
Kahit na walang...
Wala nang baterya.
Teka, ito pwede na. He give us a lot of business.
Wait.
Birthday, Myla.
Ayan, he's supposed to no show up. He keep saying he's coming. Ayan, Nane, dapat yan ang nirereto namin sa'yo, binata.
Parang hindi naman niya magustuhan yun.
Oh. Ha? I stole your phone.
Sino yun, Ma? Nakapatid na.
Alam mo, United Proverbs 31. He also lies. Despite your seem pleasant and weak stance, you are prosperous. But more sa loob, kung strength na God.
Myla is crying from
Halos na pagpapalaki sa inyo.
Myla. Thank you. Myla. Hello.
Sino yan?
her sister-in-law.
I love to meet you.
Asawa nung.
Happy birthday.
Oo.
Mahal na mahal ka niyan.
More love and joy. And very happy sa inyo ni Tony. Love you, my love.
So, kung mistiso yung lahi mo, Tony.
Ayan, dapat they're supposed to come here today. We couldn't make it. They're really good. A lot of, there's 3 of them are from our new church, Ascent Church.
Says, who can find a virtuous wife? For her worth is far above rubies. The heart of her husband safely trusts her, so he will have no lack of gain.
The baby, just go. Hotel. Lani Mesalucha.
Ano ni Manny?
Hi, Alden! Hi, Tita Myla! Happy birthday po! Kami lang dalawa ni Alden ni Bien.
Ay, natalo niya sa singing contest si Charis. Oh, magaling kumanta yan. Natalo si Charis. Magaling kumanta. Sabi ko, ba't di mo ituloy?
Pilipinas yan?
Oo. Kira.
Suot mo yan, gaganda ka sa paningin.
Oo. Oh, katulad. Did you hear that?
Don't get offended in those emotions. Also, just you being there through thin and thin, my ups and downs, and I've had